Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Sajad and you are watching Pharma Inform. In today's video, we will discuss second step of wet granulation, which is sieving, and we will discuss in detail our sieving step. If you have not watched our previous videos, the link is given in the description so you can watch easily. Like our video and watch full video to get full concepts, and also subscribe our channel. So start our video. Sieving is second step of wet granulation. A brief recall is first step was weighing, second is sieving, third will be the pre-mixing, then kneading, then wet sieving, then drying, then sieving of dried mass, and then will be the final mixing. So starts from sieving. Sieving is a simple step in which we sieve our excipients or active pharmaceutical ingredient which we are going to use for granulation. In simple words, before kneading or wetting or pre-mixing of any material used in wet granulation step, first of all we screen or sieve our materials through a proper mesh. And one question is that why we perform sieving step? If most of the people do not physically watch the sieve, I am going to give you a brief or rough diagram of the sieve so you can easily understand. Basically, sieve, if you talk about manual sieve, is a SS frame and in which we have fine net of wires mean it's simple sieve or a hollow structure. So it is SS mesh which is used manually for sieving of the excipients or API. We simply place our powder material over the mesh and shake it or press with hands, and our material pass through the sieves. So this process is known as sieving. Along with manual sieving, we can also use oscillating granulator for the sieving purpose. We can also use sifters for the sieving purpose. So now we will discuss why we sieve or what is the purpose of sieving. First aim of the sieving is to reduce particle size. Mean if we have any material which may be excipient or active pharmaceutical ingredient which has large lumps, so first of all we will break these large lumps, reduce particle size. So this come under the heading of reduce particle size, mean we reduce the particle size of our materials. Number 2 step advantage of sieving is uniform mixing. Uniform mixing is in the sense that when we reduce the particle size of our material, then the mixing of uniform sized granules is easy. And if we mix powders with large lumps, mixing will not be uniform. When we break large lumps through the sieves, then mixing will be the uniform. Third purpose is, and one more thing is that when we use sieving, basically all the powders or excipients are in the uniform size because we are using a specific mesh size or mesh number. Third step is increased surface area. Same as we discussed earlier, when we reduce particle size, surface area is increased. Fourth one is to enhance dissolution mean if we have any hard lumps, it may affect our dissolution profile. If we break down our lumps, our dissolution profile will be the accurate and proper. The fifth step is foreign objects. Mean if our formulation, if any excipient or ingredient which we are going to use have any foreign object like rubber band, tie clips, because during dispensing, when we dispense our materials in loose form in raw material store, there may be a chance of any rubber band fall into the material, or during its manufacturing process in the API manufacturing plant, maybe there is any packaging material, tie clip packed along with our material. So when we sieve our material, we can easily remove any foreign objects like rubber bands or tie clips. And one more thing, sometime during sieving process we can easily identify any undesirable particles like black spots if we have any in our excipients. So we can highlight the presence of black spots to the quality assurance department, and later on it may be assessed the nature of that particles. Then on the basis of that assessment, if it is okay, we can use it. If it is not okay, a deviation will be raised and we will know that, and we will not use that material. So hope you can easily understand the sieving process. Sieving is basically simple SS mesh stand and pushing the material through the wire mesh to obtain uniform size. Oscillating granulator may also be used. During sieving process, we should properly cover our face mask should be used, because during sieving process dusting is produced. So it was a simple explanation of sieving. One more thing, what is sieving we have already discussed. For sieving we use different number of sieves or sieve numbers. So what is sieve number? Number of holes per linear inch is known as sieve number. Mean if we calculate number of holes in 1 inch, it will be the sieve number. Suppose if anybody says that kindly sieve the material through 20 mesh or 20 number sieve, it means that in 1 inch the number of holes will be 20, and if we have 10 number mesh, the number of holes in 1 inch will be 10, and so on. So 10 number and 20 number. 20 number will be the more finer sieve, and 20 number will be more fine. 10 number will be coarse, because in 1 inch we have large holes which will be the 10, and in case of 20 diameter of hole will be small, so particle size will be more fine in 20 as compared to 10. So if you like the video, subscribe our channel. If you have not watched our previous videos, previous steps of wet granulation, the link is given in the description. So in next video we will discuss a very important step of pre-mixing. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.